Welcome you back again to another video lecture on C# programming, and in this video lecture we'll go ahead and look at break statement. So here is another type of stuff we're going to look into here in C# programming, and that is called break statement. What does break statement does? Break statements helps us to be able to skip something. So whenever you meet a particular point and you don't want to continue, go ahead and break off. So how can you be able to do that? Let's go ahead and check out. Want to print out from 1 to 50, but when we get to 45, want to break out from 45 and rest. And how can you do that? Well, let's go ahead and create an integer variable of x and let x be equal to 1 and put a semicolon at the end. Now let's go ahead and use a while loop. Or I go ahead and say y x less than or equal to 50, y x less than or equal to 50, then we go ahead and say console dot writeLine. So console dot writeLine, and go ahead and say the new value of x is equal to 0. Go ahead and put a semicolon and I'll put the value of x right there. So go ahead and put a semicolon and so go ahead also and increment x and put a semicolon. Now if you print this out, it's going to continue from 1 and move to 50, but want to break out at 45 or at 30. So let's go ahead and see, use an if statement and call your break statement. So go ahead and see if x is greater than 30. Okay, so anything greater than 30 should be cut off. So go ahead and break out through break. Now for us to reach that, go ahead and say console dot read key. Alright, go ahead and put a semicolon at the end. Now if we go ahead and run this code, so now you can see that we wanted these to move from, check it out, the condition says that y x is less than or equal to 50. So we're expecting this to move from 2 to 50, but from 1 to 50, but it stopped at 30. Okay, the reason is because we were able to break out. Go ahead and close this. We're able to break out after 30, and that is condition we gave here. Now let's change this to 10. It's going to break out at 10. Run this course, anything greater than 10 should go off. So 1 to 10. Can you see that even the 30 has been removed? Okay. So I believe you can see that he can be able to break out anytime. So whenever you can't continue, go ahead and introduce a break statement and call in just break, and it's going to break out from the loop and it will stop. So I believe that is okay. Put this down on your own system. You will play around with it and check out more on that. And in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.